Jamie Bug just had a bath. Do you want to say something to your mommy and daddy? Really? What do you want to say? Are you going to talk to him? Yes? Say I'm all clean. I had a bath. I have my lotion on. Oh, bless. I have something in my nose. Bless you. What? What? Yes. Yes. Yes.